How to install Claude in PowerPoint. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Claude in PowerPoint step by step. This is one of the fastest ways to supercharge your presentation creation, and the entire setup takes less than 2 minutes. If you've been manually building PowerPoint presentations or copying content between different applications, Claude for PowerPoint will change your entire workflow. Claude works directly inside PowerPoint and understands your templates, your brand colors, your fonts, and your design system. You ask it to build a slide, and it creates something that's ready to present, not something that needs reformatting for an hour. Let's walk through the installation together. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint. On Windows, look at the ribbon at the top and click on the Home tab. You'll see a button labeled Add-ins. On Mac, the menu is slightly different. Click on the Tools menu at the top, then select Add-ins. Click on this button or menu item. Once you've opened the Add-ins menu, a panel or dialog will appear. Look for a search bar that says Search the Office Store or something similar. Type in the search box, Claude by Anthropic in PowerPoint. Click Search and wait for the results. Claude for PowerPoint will appear in your search results. Click on it to open the add-in details page. You'll see a button labeled Get It Now or Install. Click this button. A confirmation dialog may appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Confirm or Get It Now again. PowerPoint will download and install the Claude add-in automatically. This takes just a few seconds. Once complete, you'll see a confirmation message saying the add-in has been successfully installed. PowerPoint will then close and reopen automatically to apply the changes. Don't be alarmed by this. It's normal. Once PowerPoint reopens, you'll see the Claude sidebar appear on the right side of your screen. On the first use, you'll need to sign in. Click the Sign In button and enter your Claude account credentials. Your Claude account is the same login you use for Claude AI. If you don't have a Claude account yet, visit claude.com and create one. You'll need a paid Claude plan for this add-in to work. That's Pro at $20 a month, Max at $100 a month, Team or Enterprise. After you sign in, Claude will ask you to choose which AI model you want to use. 2 models are available. Opus 4.6 is the more powerful model. Use it for complex tasks like generating entire deck structures from your corporate template or creating comprehensive presentations from scratch. Sonnet 4.6 is faster and more cost-efficient. Use it for quick edits, small tweaks, and refinements to existing slides. Most users start with Opus 4.6 and switch to Sonnet 4.6 once they understand the tool. In the sidebar, look for a field labeled Instructions. This is optional, but I highly recommend setting this up before your first prompt. Here you can tell Claude about your brand guidelines, preferred slide styles, your company's color palette, required sections for your presentations, or any recurring preferences. For example, you might write, use our corporate template, keep bullets to 1 line max, always use company colors blue and white. This instruction will apply to every presentation you create in the session, saving you from repeating it over and over. You should now see the Claude sidebar ready to use. The add-in is fully installed. Look for the Claude icon or name in your PowerPoint interface. You're now ready to use Claude to build presentations. Before you create your first presentation, load your corporate or branded template into PowerPoint. Claude reads your template, understands your fonts, colors, slide masters, and design layouts, and then generates slides that match your branding automatically. If you start with a blank presentation, Claude will create generic-looking slides. If you start with your branded template loaded, Claude will create slides that look like they belong in your company's deck library. System requirements to no * Claude for PowerPoint works on Windows Desktop, Mac Desktop, and the web version of PowerPoint. It does not currently support mobile devices like iPad or Android tablets. You also need a paid Claude plan. The free Claude plan does not include this add-in. Make sure you have internet connection throughout your session. The tool requires authentication with your Claude account. Summary: you now know how to install Claude for PowerPoint in under 2 minutes. You understand which AI models to use for different tasks. You know how to configure your brand instructions so every presentation stays on brand. Installation is complete, and you're ready to start building presentations with AI assistance. If this tutorial helped you get Claude installed and running, please like this video and subscribe for more productivity and AI tool guides. Comment below and tell me what your first presentation topic will be with Claude. Thanks for watching and happy creating.